and welcome to Statistical Methods. My name is Joe Cole, and I'm going to be your professor for this semester. I wanted to walk you through a few things to hopefully help you have a smooth transition into the course. First of all, you want to make sure that you have a laptop or a desktop with a working built-in camera or a webcam and reliable Wi-Fi that is required for the course because your quizzes will be online and your midterm and final will also be online, and they will be proctored using HonorLock. So you will need a webcam for that. I want to go to the left-hand side of Canvas where it is, you'll see the simple syllabus. And I'm just going to encourage you to read through the syllabus. I'm just going to pick out important parts from it. My contact information is there. The best way to reach me is through my email, which is jcole2@valenciacollege.edu. My office is in the Dr. Phillips Academic Center, which is room 340K. And I have student engagement hours upon request. So you just need to email me if you'd like to meet with me. And we can set up a virtual time and space to do that. The required materials for the course is Modeling the World MyLab Statistics with Pearson. It's an e-text. You get 18-week access. I'm going to walk you through the process of ordering. So you're not getting a physical textbook. It's the e-textbook that comes with the Pearson registration. So again, I will show you how to purchase those things and get set up. You'll be graded in this course according to your attendance, which will be taken the first week through doing the introduction discussion post. So please make sure you do that. If you don't complete the introduction discussion post, you could be marked as a no-show, and that would also possibly withdraw you from the course and affect financial aid and just create a whole amount of chaos. So please make sure you do the introduction discussion post, and you'll see more directions on that in Canvas. So attendance is 10% of your grade. Discussions, participation also are included in that. Your homework and quizzes are going to be 20% of the grade. Projects are 40%. There are 4 projects, and I will give you further information on that as they come up. The midterm exam is 15%, and that's in the 6th week of the course. And then the final exam is 15%. There is a written component, which will be done online. And the other component is the term project, which we will talk more about briefly. So please make sure you read through that syllabus. Okay, it's very important. And also read through this first page of Canvas. Okay, some of the important things I also have on there is the course schedule. So this is the schedule that we'll be following. I have the topics divided up among the weeks. I tried to color code things to help you stay organized. So chapter 2 and 3, for instance, should be covered this week. And you'll see that the homework for those is due on May 15th. Okay, that is for both chapter 2 and chapter 3. So you can complete them at any point during the week. You can do them all in one day. You can split it up, whatever works for you. And then there's also a quiz that will cover chapters 2 and 3. The quiz will be anywhere from 10 to 15 problems. It will resemble the homework problems and also give you practice for the midterm. You get 3 attempts for each quiz. It is open notes, and I do take your best attempt. So only the best out of the 3 will count. At the end of the course, I will drop your 2 lowest quizzes. And then, of course, please take a look at each week because there are certain things due. I do try to, at the beginning of each week, give you a checklist of things that are either due or things that you need to take care of that may or may not have a submission to try to also help you stay on track. Okay, it is a summer course. It is 12 weeks. Normally courses are 16, so You know, it's everything in the 16-week course condensed into the 12 weeks. So there may be some weeks where there's a lot due, and then there may be weeks where there's not as much due. But you do want to stay on track of the course schedule here. And again, it is tailored so that you can find time to complete things when you have the time to do it. Okay, but there are due dates, which are checkpoints, so that I know how you're doing and I can also provide you some feedback. Okay, so I'm going to direct you to the modules on the left quickly just to show you where everything is. So you want to click under the orientation, start here, and you're going to click through and read each of those. It is required to go through the orientation before you can actually click on week number 1. So once you read through all of that, you can read week number 1. Here's the checklist I was talking about. So this is a rundown of the things that you need to complete before or by a specific due date. Okay, so that should help you stay on track a little bit. Don't forget to do the introductions this week. Again, that counts towards your attendance, which is not only 10% of your grade, but also will cause you to not be reported as a no-show, because that would be a problem. All of my notes are typed out for you. You just need to fill it in, and you can fill it in from watching the videos. So you'll see the Chapter 2 guided notes and video. If you click on Chapter 2 notes, the PDF, these are the notes that you can either print out or you can upload them to an iPad or other device and take notes. As you can see, there's blank spaces there, which you can fill in from watching the video. And also there's different pieces like check your understanding, where you'll have time to try to work those problems out and reflect and possibly discuss. And then there's examples that I will cover with you together in class. So underneath the notes, you've got the video, and sometimes there's different parts to the video. So I kind of divided them up so they're not too long. This way you don't have to watch them all at once. You can, spread it out, whatever, again, works best for you. But there's 3 videos for this first piece for Chapter 2 that you're going to need to watch. And then there's also a video for making histograms with the TI-84 Plus, okay, which is part of the Chapter 2 notes. And then underneath that is Chapter 3, and there's the notes and the videos and so on. So those things will be updated and uploaded throughout the semester. They may not be there all at once because I'm in the process of creating some more videos or redoing videos and notes. So those will be placed in Canvas, but you will be given plenty of time to be able to, print those things out and watch those things. So it will be given well in advance of due dates. Okay. So let me walk you through the ordering process for the materials for the course. What you should be able to do once you're in Canvas is you're going to go down to purchase course materials. And it's going to take you right to the downtown campus bookstore. And our class, you could either be UCF or Valencia. So I'm going to pretend you're Valencia, summer 2024. The department is STA 2023. And then 2023 for the course number. The section number for us is going to be 32048. I don't see that there, but it's okay to click on 34031. And then, because that's my other section, and it's the same materials. And then all you need to do is click add to cart. What will happen is you'll get an access code sent to you. It should be about an hour after you purchase, and the access code will be from a source called Digital Learning. You may need to check your trash or spam, and once you find that email from Digital Learning, you'll see an access code. What you're going to then do is you're going to go to Access Pearson. You can see it right here, 2 spaces underneath attendance at the top. You're going to click on Access Pearson, and then this page is going to look different than yours. But you're going to click Open My Lab and Mastering and then register for the course. And you'll see an option to copy and paste that access code from your email. And then you should have access instantaneously to all the homeworks, the quizzes, and so on. If you have any questions with that, where you purchase and you don't receive an access code, please email me so that I can forward your information or, give you information on who to contact at UCF to get things rolling. Okay, because it is important that you get all of this right away. You're always going to access your homework right in Canvas through Access Pearson. Don't ever go to pearson.com. It should never ask you for a course ID because that means you're in the wrong place. Okay, so you're always going to access your homework through Access Pearson on the left-hand side. This way I have Access Pearson and Canvas, your grades are just merged together. So any work you do in Pearson will appear in your Canvas gradebook. So everything is just through Canvas, just to make it easier for you. Okay. And I think that's pretty much it for right now. Again, read through everything. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm looking forward to working with all of you. I hope that you'll find statistics very practical. And my goal by the end of the semester is that, if you're scared of statistics or you don't like math, hopefully by the end you'll think that wasn't too bad. And you got through it and everything was okay. And also, you can use statistics in your life every day because it is very practical. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you have a wonderful semester. I'm here to help you. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or if there was anything that I didn't go over that you need further clarification on. I'm happy to help you. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a great day.